Today's date
is the 10th. Motorcycle boots.
in the bag.
You want it washed?
Oh yeah, I will. No, I'll just shove it in because the bag's pretty big. It'll fit. What are you missing?
My helmet, my gloves.
Put your helmet out on the chair.
Am I taking all of that?
Yeah. I don't know what it would be like in a downpour. The other
Yeah,
day.
but we'll try and avoid riding in a proper downpour, won't we?
I hope so. Where is my blue raincoat?
It's going to be my carry-on.
Bottoms, jackets, heated vests,
Yep.
wet weather gear.
Yep. So that's the moto gear checked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent.
20 kilos. Okay, so moto gear is checked. Item 1 off the list. We've got keys and I've got the spare.
Yep.
Item 2 is also done there.
What was that, 20 kilos the other thing?
20 kilos.
We might pull it back out and put the cooking gear in there. So this has the kitchen in it.
22 kilograms.
I wonder if I shouldn't take a small tool kit. No, I don't think we're going to need it, are we?
It'd be embarrassing if they were the same.
Yeah, that would be what I'm wearing for Julie's wedding.
Not a wedding.
What's it called? Birthday. We might surprise us and do a wedding.
Okay, so I'm just going with shiny clothes for the party.
Oh my god, I had quite the epic hospital visit last week. Yeah, it was really quite interesting.
You say visit like it was a singular occasion.
Yeah, no, it was plural. But the doctor came in at the end of the day and he said, "You know you're really lucky, don't you?" And I said, "Yeah, I'm really thankful you found the blood clot." And he said, "If you didn't have," I had a bit of pneumonia in my lung, and he said, "If you didn't have that pneumonia, you probably wouldn't have come in and we wouldn't have picked up the blood clot." He said, "You're safer than the person you're sitting next to if you're on medication."
Which is me.
Which is actually Rachel. We're currently busily packing all our motorcycle gear. We get on the road Tuesday morning and we're riding to Sydney now.
What did you get?
Satay chicken.
We have actually had dinner, but I had lunch and dinner, and you had dinner.
I'll just had dinner.
So, second dinner. We're about to get on the plane. Well, we're not about to get on the plane. We've got another hour and a half. We got here early because we thought we might have to go to oversized baggage with the motorcycle panniers, but it was fine here in Hobart. Yeah, so now we're just sitting around.
Eating Saturday chicken.
Yeah, I'm not, I just got a juice, delicious green juice.
Yep.
Our flight has boarded early.
Like 40 minutes earlier.
It's currently half an hour before we are scheduled to take off, but it's possible everybody's on the plane.
Brilliant. Well done, everyone.
We were scheduled to get into Brisbane at 11:20 and it is 10:53.
I'm watching Shazam.
We are here. We're back in Brisbane.
Brisbane.
That's two of them. I made it a little way carrying the pannier, but we really should have just got a trolley. It's too heavy to carry all the way to the taxi. So Pete's just gone down to ask if we can cheat a little bit and get a taxi to come up closer to us. He's hoping. He's coming back. Any joy?
Success. There's the famous Story Bridge. Yes, we can. But I don't know how to open it because it's locked at this stage. And then in here we've got a lovely room. And
Bye.
good night. Oh, this is sweet. There is a washing machine and dryer in the bathroom.
We've decided we need to do a 7-Eleven run.
Yep, because I'm a bit peckish. Actually, I'm always peckish because I'm a Labrador.
And I need some chocolate.
Aww.
But there's chocolate. We found the 7-Eleven. We're back in our room. I got a Snickers.
Crackers.
And dip. I got a chalky milk. What else did you get?
I got some coffee and some soy milk for tomorrow morning.
Looks like we've got a halo.
Well, yeah.
But we're feeling pretty good. It's about 12:15. So
Please go to bed.
this is actually the time that I was expecting we'd be arriving at the hotel. So it's brilliant that we've not only arrived, we've settled in, we've found a 7-Eleven and got snacks. And now for a good night's sleep.
Night. Don't forget, like and subscribe. The lighting's terrible.
Isn't it? It's really bad lighting.